Hey guys, so I'm going to be making a video of the three options that you selected over the phone. So this one here, like I said earlier, it's subtle, it's warm, it's not too bold, but in my opinion, it's a beautiful color because it just looks natural. Okay, that's option one. Let's take a look at option two. This one here would be my favorite, in my personal opinion. It's also got a natural marbly touch to it. It's gray dominantly. You do have a little bit of blue in it. But overall, it's a beautiful slab. And then this one also here. It's a gorgeous looking slab, dominantly white. It's got a hint of blue, gray, and obviously black. But again, very natural veining.